So here's the furnace, and then there's the exhaust flue right there. It obviously goes up and out through the roof. And the return right there next to it, partially insulated. Anyway, the measurements are, for the furnace, 40 inches height. The width is 17 inches. And the depth is 29 inches. This block above it, where the return air comes in, converts from the circular pipe or duct there. Measurements of that are 24 inches high, 16 inches wide, and 20 inches deep. This guy, the return air, is about, it was kind of hard to measure, but about 18 or 19 inches in diameter. So there are your furnace measurements.